Hey, this is Larry, and I shared Craig's story with Matt. Hey Matt, how are you doing?
How are we doing today?
Fine. And told him that Craig was in need of a freezer, and as a matter of fact, last night he was having to buy ice to store things, and he really stepped up to the plate. Said, let's go find him one. You ready to go back and show? So he's been at Master Appliance now on Murfreesboro Road for 20 years, and I didn't go to the big box stores to see if they wanted to donate anything. I just said Matt's a member of the community, big heart. He said, I've just got the thing. He walked past the small ones, the medium ones, and came up with a 9 cubic foot brand new freezer. So that's exactly what was on Craig's wish list, and told me what it is, and it is now sold.
Well, we'll just put that in there so they can fill that up with some food. How's
You're
that?
kidding. Wow. I don't know what to say, Matt.
Well, I'm glad to do it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to do it. He's doing a great thing for the community, helping everybody out. I'm glad to see it, and we're glad to help out the little bit that we can.
And help out Matt. He's on Murfreesboro Road, Master Appliance. Is a little promo there.
Thank y'all.